I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on a Lexus CT200h. First, make sure you have your new wiper blades ready and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Now, look closely at the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or button. Once you've located the release tab, press it firmly. This will unlock the old wiper blade from the arm. With the tab pressed, slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm until it detaches completely. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the windshield. Gently lower the arm onto the towel you placed earlier to prevent any damage. Now take your new wiper blade. You'll see a hook on the wiper arm. Align the new blade's connector with this hook. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This click indicates that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. With both new blades installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Now, hop into your car and test the new wipers using your car's washer fluid. Check for smooth, streak-free operation. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.